Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're gonna be learning the Smeeze Fortnite Emote. But before we get started, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop class that's available for everybody. Even if you don't dance, you can come chill on the chat and hang out with us. Check my Twitch channel for that schedule. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below. All right, you guys ready to do Smeeze? Let's hit it. All right, you guys, so this is how you do the Smeeze Fortnite emote. It's an easy emote that kind of repeats the steps, but I'm gonna break it down for you so that you guys can do it perfectly and you can show it off to all your friends. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this little stomp, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to prep like this, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Pretty easy, not that bad, right? You're just gonna hold that little prep, and it's almost like you're in a run position because you're just waiting for that music to start, and you're gonna try and catch that beat. You ready? It's gonna go like this. 5, 6, 7, go. Bang, 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 bang. Then from here, what you're gonna do, stomp with your left foot, and you're gonna kind of twist your body, okay? So you're gonna stomp and go boom, just like that. And what happens is your arm just lifts straight up. The rest of them are gonna curl under as you point like that, and we got our pointy fingers, okay, so we're using those. But this first one, just lift the arm straight up. So after you go 1, 2, 3, 4, go lift. Now from here, scoot back a little bit when you do the stomp again. Now, flick this arm underneath. You're gonna turn your body, boom, and then you're gonna go back this way with it. Boom, then you're gonna do another one. Turn your body, boom, go boom. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll your hands in, but you're gonna keep the feet the same. So we're gonna roll it in. And then from here, repeat and lift that arm straight up to go. Stomp, boom, stomp, boom, stomp, boom, go. Roll it, hit, just like that. Your hands go into your body to point this way. So don't think of your hands rotating out. You want to rotate your hands in. Every single time you turn your body, you stomp and you point out like that, okay? If I face you guys, just so you can see it from the front, it looks like this. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. You go lift, hit, scoop, hit, scoop, hit, roll the hands, boom. Try it with me facing this way, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go boom, hit, scoop it in, hit, scoop it in, hit, roll the arms. And then you just keep repeating that over and over and over again. You don't ever go back to the stomp. That's it, guys. That is how you do Smeeze. Let's go ahead, let's try it with music. Let's do it with me and the skin. Ready to catch that beat? 5, 6, 7, go! Boom, and there you go, guys. That's how you master the Smeeze Fortnite emote. If you guys have any requests for other emote tutorials, put them down in the comment section below. I stick them on a list, and we will get to them. Okay, we got a nice little list growing, but I want to keep it coming. So love your suggestions. Keep bringing them on. And as always, hashtag keep dancing. I will see you guys next week. Peace out.